Dolce, hey. He just like wants love and attention right now, and I'm like, I'm working. Hey guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. We have a huge luxury fall haul. Honestly, this is quite a lot of designer purchases, and I have some Sephora and Ulta in here as well. But all of this stuff has literally been in this filming room for a month and a half, and I have not been able to film it because, you know, anxiety, depression, all that fun stuff, but I'm past it now and I'm super excited. Dolce. Also, if you guys have not seen my dog reveal video, you should go watch it. Here he is. He's so perfect. This is Dolce, and he is an Australian purebred Australian Labradoodle. I can't say that. And he is like this beautiful chocolate brown color with the most perfect green eyes. And I did a whole video about him. He's so tiny and cute, and he's just like watching me film. And honestly, he's a part of this luxury haul because this man was so insanely expensive, like crazy. And then like all the things that come with it, vaccinations, toys, kennel, like all this like cages and stuff like that. Like everything that this dog needs, he's a luxurious purchase. So I guess this is my first purchase. Set, stay. Okay, but on a real note, we're gonna hit up the first purchase, and it is from Prada. So I texted my rep. She is on the Broadway location in New York City, and she actually just left Prada, so I have a new rep there. And she got these for me before she left, and I'm so excited to show them to you guys. We're gonna open them up, and I have not worn them yet, so I finally get to wear them because they're coming out of the packaging. Here they are. These are basically like, they're not called the Prada Dunk Lows, but like they're basically Dunk Lows, but like designer. Here's a photo of some black and white Dunk Lows from Nike, and you can like see the resemblance fully, but these are a bit more classy, not as common, and they're of course designer, and I love the material. Of course, these shoes are Italian made, and they're so gorgeous, and they just have such great details all over them, and they're so classy. So the exact name of these are the Calzature Donna. These are the Bianco Nero, and I have a size 38. I'll throw up a few more shades on the screen of what they have, but I wanted to start with the black and white pair first and then build my collection from here. I love sneakers. I'm a huge sneakerhead, and I specifically love Gucci Rifon sneakers. Aren't they like just so beautiful? But I really like I love the height they give, but I also like love like a clean flat sole. So I'm excited to start like building my collection with these, and also I always keep these in mind. Let me know if you guys have seen these and if you like them, and they're definitely gonna be styled so much this fall on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel. Dolce, can you sit right there? Can you sit right there for me? Okay, that's good. Sit right there. Okay, next up we have a purchase from YSL, and the rep that I have right now, his name is Noel. I'll throw his Instagram up on the screen. He's at the Tampa Bay International Mall. He is amazing, but I also have two purchases from Neiman Marcus that we're gonna hit up first. And I also have a rep there. His name is Oberon, and he's so sweet. And I purchased all of this with him. So first off, I'm like utterly obsessed with sunglasses. I wear them all the time, and I wear them inside too. So I picked up my first pair of Christian Dior sunglasses, and they're pretty unique and super fun. So here's what they look like. They're kind of like a pink, kind of champagne gold. And I will throw up like the exact name of them on the screen. But there's a few reasons why I fell in love with these. First off, look what they look like on me. Like, are you kidding? These are so fun and perfect. I love the big block style of these. I love the mirrored reflection. I also love the pink lining going across the top and then the side of Christian Dior. But my favorite part are these side blockers. I don't know what you'd necessarily call these. They're like extra shields on the side, because I cannot stand when the sun beams through the side of sunglasses. It doesn't even matter if they're Ray-Ban, designer, from like a cheaper store, like any sunglasses will do that, and you can tell me if you experience it too. But when you're driving, like the sunglasses, like the sun will like peek through the sides and like gives you like a weird reflection. So I like that these are like blocked right here, so like you literally won't get that. And these are just called, I think, the ivory color. And yeah, they're from Neiman Marcus. And I'm just excited now that they're finally out of the box and I can finally wear them. I love that they don't hit my nose bridge. They have really great like little nose stoppers. I don't know what they're called, but they're fun and I love them. And I also like love the case it came with. It's super nice and sturdy. It just does not matter what time of the day it is, I will always wear sunglasses. Okay, moving on to this next pair. These are from Chanel. And I love myself a good pair of like black classic sunglasses. And I really wanted another pair. I typically wear my Celine sunnies, which I'll throw up a photo of them on the screen, and also these Gucci ones that I've had for such a long time. But I thought I'd branch out and get like a very nice pair, and I thought I'd get Chanel. Again, I don't know the exact name of these, so I will try to find them and throw up the name on the screen and link them down below. But they are so cute. They're like an ombre black fade on the front. They have like this like almost leather kind of vibe, like scrunched up within the CC for Chanel. And now I'm gonna put them on and show you guys what they look like on. They sit so comfortably on my face, and they're just like big and black, and like it's like, don't look at me, don't talk to me. These are like my incognito sunnies, and I love like the little touch of white on the side. I think it's so cute because all of my black sunnies are just like black all over. I also like love the ombre shade in the front. Since I love sunglasses so much, I would love to know like your recommendations on your favorite like sunglasses, whether they're designer or they're not designer. I really don't care. I just want to know, and I want to be able to kind of expand my sunglass love in like different avenues. And now we can move into the amazing purchase that is inside this YSL box. Ah, so excited. So I don't have a name for this purse yet, like what I'm gonna name it. I'm really thinking about like Alberta, and I know that sounds so weird, but I really like that name for this purse. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what she looks like. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. So here's the name of the bag up on the screen. I've been really into YSL as of recently. I love the quality of their bags. I really do like love the pricing as well, and I love the minimalistic kind of design of a lot of their bags. Dolce, hey, Dolce, stop, Guys, he's like biting my trash can. He just like wants love and attention right now, and I'm like, I'm working. Ah! Dolce, sit, stay. He's gonna bark. I knew it. I literally knew it. Hey, bud. Bud, can I work? Can I work? Can I work? Do you want a toy? You want a toy? Okay, let me get you a toy. Sorry guys, mom life is calling. I'm gonna go get him a toy. I'm coming. I'm coming, bud. Oh, you're so cute. He like loves this carrot, so, and he's like been tearing up this rope ball thing. There you go. There are so many different colors, textures, versions of this bag, but this is what I like. If I'm not mistaken, this is the bigger version of the bag. They have like a smaller mini version. And this is the crocodile embossed one with the gold hardware. Dolce, hey, you're gonna have to sit on my lap. Okay, he's just like biting boxes now after I gave him a toy, so I don't know. But anyways, this purse is super cute. I would say the only downfall is that there's no zipper. So like things could easily fall out of this, but I would only consider this like a dinner purse or like a daytime purse. I would never take this out like partying or anything like that because everything can like really easily fall out. But this bag is perfect. It is so cute and so chic. Okay, so before the last big purchase, I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I got from Sephora and Ulta. First up, I got this DPQ sheer transparent gloss to just make my hair shinier and just a little bit nicer. I got the Benefit Gimme Brow, a bunch of these like derma planners from Kitsch, I think that's how you say it, and I love these things so much. I always shave my own face, so I enjoy those. The Sunday Riley Autocorrect Eye Contour Cream, because I use the one that has like the evil eye on it. It's this one and I love it, but you're supposed to use them together. So I got this one. I thought this was really cool and I was super intrigued by it. So I got this like mask set from Peter Thomas Roth. Oh my gosh. I think the one that really sold me was the pumpkin enzyme mask because I love anything with pumpkin. I got the Kenra Volume Spray, the One Size Secure the Blur Primer. It's my favorite primer. This e.l.f. Kabuki brush, my cousin swears by it to blend out her blush or her like cream bronzer or even her foundation. So I decided to pick this up and I'm super excited because not only was it a great price, it's cruelty free and it's vegan and it's e.l.f. and it's at the drugstore, so I'm very excited. I used hers and I was like, I need to buy my own. And last two things, I got the Genius Liquid Collagen Lip from the Algenist. I've used this stuff for years. And then my favorite mascara is the One Size Fanta Size Mascara from Patrick Star. Dolce, what are you? Oh. Okay guys, I'll be right back. He just took a potty on the floor and his paws are now wet in his pee, so I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. I had to clean up his pee. But we have one more purchase and it is like a really big bag, but I already took the bag out of it, so like I took the designer bag out of the bag they gave me for it. So I'm just gonna show you guys. It is this beautiful tote bag from Isla. This is one of their like classic tote bags and I love this for overnighters. I'm having an overnighter tonight and it's perfect to throw a couple pair of clothes in, some skincare. It's really easy to have. It's also a great beach bag if you want to use it for that, or like a pool bag, a travel bag. It's just a good bag, and I decided to start with the black version because they have so many different ones with different textures and colors, but I wanted to start simple, so I'm gonna start maybe collecting these and have a bunch of them, but they're perfect and the quality is impeccable. They do have a button right here and I love the handles, how sturdy they are. Alright guys, that is it for this huge luxury fall haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was honestly so much fun to film, and you guys know hauls are just like some of the best things literally on earth. My quote of the day is, "The fact that you are trying is proof that you are strong." And that just shows a lot about your character. If you're trying to get somewhere, it's better than not trying at all. Whether you try and fail, it's better to try and fail than not try and never know where you could have gotten and you lose all that experience that you could have had. I love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell. Also, everything that I talk about is linked down below for direct purchase, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye guys.